Hey y'all, it's Megan from Made for Mermaids, and today we're sewing up the Aphrodite thong. I'm going to be doing the string back version in this video, like this one. There is also a thong back, like with a classic thong, and I'll link that video below. So for the string back, you're going to need to cut one front, one optional lining, and then you need all of your elastic. So you need one elastic for the back string, two for the leg line, and then one for your waistband. I'm using fold over elastic in this one, but you can use picot on the leg like this, and you can use stretch lace for the waistband or a thicker elastic if you want. The first step is going to be to baste your lining on your mane. You can finish this top edge if you want. So you will just lay them the wrong sides together like this and then baste along the sides. Okay, now we're going to finish each leg line with your elastic. If you need some videos or some help on sewing fold over or picot elastic, we have videos that I will link below. Okay, the leg lines are sewn, and now we need to prep that string back. So I'm going to fold my fold over elastic in half and just top stitch it down so it is thinner. Okay, now I'm going to center that string back at the front crotch, and we're going to stitch them together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And now I'm going to, because we're going to press this seam up and we're going to top stitch it, so I'm just going to trim some of this elastic down so it's not so thick. And now we're going to press that seam up and then top stitch it. Now we're already almost done. Trim all these threads. Okay. And now we need to do our waistband. So we're going to fold it in half, just making sure it's not twisted, and you're going to overlap the ends by a 1/4 inch. And it's definitely twisted. There we go. And then stitch over it a few times to hold it in place. Now go ahead and find the center front of that waistband. Find the center of your thong, and I'm going to pin the thong to the waistband. I am going to fold over this elastic so all of my elastic is the same and uniform. You could also leave it unfolded and have a little bit of a thicker waistband if you would want. Okay, and then make sure your thong isn't twisted. You're going to pin your string back at that center, and now I'm going to fold it over and stitch the waistband. Okay, and that's it. You could add a little bow to the front or even to the back on the G-string. I think it'd be so cute. If you make an Aphrodite thong or string back, we would love to see posted in our Facebook group or tag us on Instagram at Made for Mermaids. We do have some limited fabric kits with all the findings that you need if you want to shop some of the fabrics and elastics. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below and I'll try to answer them. Bye.